บันเป็นสแคมยากจิงมุดหากิไปบ้าบักนมดนสัตยากช่องเสียบัดกุมจูรูบันเตละคำนักกินูกิจิงกลุมาร์ขันน้องบ้าชิลองกีบอร์ดปุลิตกับอีสกาเซลส์กิดังเทรบอร์บ้าบันเป็นคลันยากจิงปารานาลอร์กิจิงปัญญาชักมัดยากจิงขันราคำสนิวบ่เพออุบาเอสน้องตึงเอร์เอสพีกับอีสกาเซลดิสตริกอุลองไปยากิรังบ้าชินองหักน้องบ้าชิลองละเด็บอาจิงพะบันยาเตลังบัดกีบอร์ดปุลิตนาลอร์กิจิงปันได้ยากิ CCTV แคมราขนังบันละบันเล่หับดนกินูกิจิงจ้าUlong ba ka jing pahra ka ya chakmat kum shibanta ka jing pen khre ya ka Independence Day hau banai nai lar banwan ulong ru ka jing persang ban pynkhuid ikchika di kyiad pyrsi ru kala ya chakmat.
Yes, for the last 2-3 weeks we have been beef up the security in the Shillong city. That is to instill a sense of security for the general public, especially those who are traveling at night and those having shops or those having at night business and so on. So we are trying our best to give a sense of security to all the general public. And of course, perhaps yesterday you have seen a lot of nakas, this not every nook and corner of the city. And of course, we try our best to clean up all this urkaliar, polo, and all those areas where are selling those illicit liquor and so on. So by deployment of security, then I am sure that people feel more secure. Those who are traveling at night, coming from outside, seeing Shillong, this and that. And also this is part of our routine preparation for the 15th of August that we should beef up our security, particularly in the Shillong city. Like we have seen, we have beef up the security. That is particularly for the law and order in Shillong. We want that Shillong should be in peace, and we don't want any law and order in Shillong. So we deploy more security so that peace prevail as we are now in the Shillong city. Of course, stray incidents are there that we can't deny it. Incidents are there here and there, but we are still trying our best to keep everything in peace.
Shim ya kakabu shakalawe kabakot bakya dakabapiwan man pa pet batsha sumar haka the Shillong Heart Clinic kabadan Hanongram Hills Shillong pila ban phone ne pa message ban bu por yakindo ba Dr. Sinrang Batngan Wadri u Dr. Balapintbit haka ban sumar jingpang klong snam ka clinic ka play man gasngi light no haka sngi ublay na do ka khatwe baje min step hado and re baje janme